Hi and welcome to this Casambi tutorial. In this session we'll discuss smart switching. Using the smart switch feature, ordinary mains wall switches can be transformed to provide a cost-effective solution for limited lighting control. Smart switching only works with Casambi devices that are powered directly from the main supply, such as the CBU ASD or TED. Some ecosystem partner products also have smart switching capabilities. An example of smart switch use could be in a domestic environment where you wish to have a wall switch activate a specific lighting scene if you have a dinner party or trigger a scene for when you're watching a movie. Various modes are available and can be configured for individual luminaires using the Casambi app to access the properties of a luminaire and selecting the smart switch section. The default mode is dim and save, which means that a quick off-on action will start the luminaire dimming from 0 to maximum. A second rapid off-on flick will store the dimmed level. Normal switching of the luminaire will then recall the stored level. You can change the stored default by starting the dimming process again by rapidly switching off and on. If you've configured different luminaire modes, the cycle through mode setting means that flicking the power switch quickly off and on will cycle between each mode and off. If you have a scene or scenes you wish to recall from one switch, you can use the control scenes option to activate them when you switch the mains off and on quickly. In a similar way to cycle through modes, you can use the cycle scenes option to step from one scene to the next each time you rapidly switch the mains off and on again. With active standby mode, you can control two scenes that both have the same luminaires in them. The active scene will turn on when the smart switched luminaire is powered on, and the standby scene is activated when the smart switched Casambi device is powered off. For this to operate correctly, luminaires in the two scenes must already be powered and not connected to the same switch that's used for the smart switching. The emergency option is only available with Evolution networks. If a device has been configured with this mode, then it will keep a specified scene active for as long as it remains powered. The emergency mode overrides all other Casambi commands, so luminaires in the emergency scene can't be controlled by any other method until power is switched off from the smart switched emergency device. The three sensor-related modes, presence, presence-absence and absence, replicate the same functions as if a sensor were being triggered when a quick mains off-on switching occurs. For example, presence will activate a scene and then immediately start the linger time. When the linger time expires, the scene will automatically fade out. Rapid off-on switching when using either of the two resume automation options will have the effect of deactivating any manual control commands that may be active in a group of luminaires or in the entire network. If it's unnecessary for a power switch to do anything special, the not in use option will disable the smart switching feature. This can also be done simultaneously for all luminaires in the network from the Configure All Luminaires option found in the Network Setup section of the More tab. Further information can be found from our support website and in our app user guide. You can also sign up for our free online training courses on our website. Thanks for watching.